How to remove repost on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove repost on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here once you're inside the profile section, at the middle you'll see the repost tab. So there you can just tap on it. And now here in this section you'll see the list of all the reels that you have reposted on Instagram. So here you can just find the post that you want to remove repost from. And now here once you're inside that particular reels or post, to remove it from your Instagram repost section, you can just tap on repost icon, which can be seen in the right hand side of the screen. So just tap on it, and once you tap on that, the post will be removed from your repost section on Instagram. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.